Hi, this is Sunrise Computer Technology with a new video. Today I have a very nice laptop. This is a Dell Latitude 10 generation Intel Core i3. It is using an HDD hard disk drive which is very slow in performance. First, I switch off the laptop completely. I remove the screw from the bottom cover and carefully open it. So today I'm going to upgrade it with an M.2 SSD to make it much faster. I slide in the SSD at an angle, press it down, and secure it with a screw. Now I close the cover and tighten all the screw back. Next, I insert my Windows 11 USB installer, start the laptop, press F12 and boot from the USB drive. I select custom install, choose the SSD, and start the installations. Windows is now installing. It will take a few minutes after installing. I select the region to Bhutan. Now the laptop is super fast. It boots quickly and applications open in seconds. SSD upgrade completed. If you want to make your laptop fast like this, contact me and I will do it for you. Thank you guys for watching this video.